So I want us to clean this hair. Today I will be showing you how I take care of my natural dreadlocks. Here we go. I'm gonna be using the normal shampoo. I'm not going to show you, just use the shampoo that you have because this is just a random shampoo, you guys. Getting in my eyes so much so I just wash them like this, guys, the entire time. Lastly huku mbele ni kama sijaosha sana. Let's wash. Close your eyes. Wash. I love it. The dreadlocks are looking clean now. Actually, I feel good. It's so refreshing. Like, this is some kind of therapy. You could stay here the whole day, so you have to control yourself. Yeah, so that's how I wash my locks. You could do this as many times as you want. And they're super long. Ooh, look at the length. The length is good. So I think next time I should add on that length. I've really been enjoying these locks. Having locks. Oh, I know you guys can hear the echoes because I'm in the shower. Are they clean? Are they cleaner? I think they are clean. Except this part. Kama hii haitawahi isha hiyo white. Now let me shower the entire body and come back. I'll get back to you guys. Hi guys, it's dry. The hair is dry. So yeah, this is what I was talking about. Kuna hizi white hazitaki kutoka, but we are good. So I love applying wax. So the one I was applying finished. So I'm just trying new gels. I can't really recommend any. Okay, I'm trying to look for somewhere clear. Oh, copyright. Yeah, so I love starting from behind here. I don't know how I'm going to film this. Currently, this is what I'm trying. And I don't know if it's going to work. It's black gel. I was applying white wax. I don't know why I'm calling it gel. Yeah, so right now I'm trying the black wax. It's not really black, but I hope it turns black once it melts on here. So, okay, we will see. guys, I've just realized you can't see how I'm doing my hair behind there. I've already done it so far. Let me just show you how I'm doing. I'm going to show you the side because I think it will be easier if I show you here on the side. So let's do some parts. I just usually get one like this. I don't like using the comb, so I just use my hand. This one will be very well for you to see and easy because I can also see. So natumia hiyo wax, nafanya hivyo. That's how I wax it and then I twist it.
I know it would be goodbye, my love. When did the close of forever come, my love? All I recall was a stare that was vacant and cold. Where did the spark go, the warmth that once stole?
And once it melts, it becomes black. So for now, we don't have a dryer, we don't have anything. It's just going to dry up on my head as I do my house chores and all those things. But let me just style. I think I'm gonna divide it into two. I don't know, you see, the one who plaited me did not really locate the center well, so I think we have this as the center. Oh, by the way, have I showed you how it looks? Oh, my locks look. This is how they look. Yeah, let me show you everything, how they have turned out. Yeah, really, these are just baby hairs which could not be held, but yeah, that's how they turned out. So cute. The only disturbing thing is that brown stuff, but I'm gonna style them this way so that they can dry. So yani your gel, so that the wax can dry, and then once it dries, yeah, so we've divided it into two portions, and that's how I'm gonna stay. But I love holding it behind with this. This is also a dread that remained as if we shall. So I'm just going to tie it behind there and leave it. You know, one advantage of doing your own hair is that it's painless and you do what you want to do with your hair. You're able to explore, you're able to feel good. This has taken me like 30 minutes to just wax the whole head, which is not a lot of time, so I totally recommend. I'm still exploring. I'm not really an expert, guys, so don't really come at me. I'm still learning. That's the outcome. I feel like it's perfect. What do you think? Please smash the like button. Like, guys. And also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I'm gonna be doing more of this kind of videos. I'll be doing a video styling different hairstyles for dreadlocks. Don't miss out on that, guys. So like, subscribe so that you will see those videos. Yeah, and that's it. I hope you've enjoyed waxing the hair with me. I've also really enjoyed. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. In the next video you will see that this wax will have melted. Even now it has started to melt. It's just going to be black, so relax, guys. And don't worry, the head will turn its color back. I feel so good. It's looking nice, guys. What do you think? Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.